Is it on? Yeah. Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how I created this high-quality cinematic using Unreal Engine and AI motion capture, and with a very tight budget as well. So, before we dive into the tutorial, first let's watch the short film. I have to defeat the Demon Lord, no matter the cost. There he is.
Foolish boy.
Huh. What the? Where am I? He got to be nearby. I can sense him. I know you are somewhere here. Come out.
Well, you was able to sense me. Impressive. But now, you must be eliminated.
Ready. Fight.
Ah, damn. That hurt very bad.
Yeah, that's right. Kneel before me, the great demon lord. You can never defeat me.
I can't lose now. I have to defeat him.
What was that noise? What? How did he got so powerful? I can sense it.
Summoning's far. It's time to go all out.
What's happening? What just happened?
Well, we ran out of budget. So, did you like it? Let me know in the comment section. First thing we will need is equipment, so go to this site and purchase this $3,000 motion capture suit and this $300 head rig. Just kidding, don't worry. We are gonna use some DIY instead of buying these costly equipments. But I would gladly accept if someone wanna gift it to me. So I got myself this bicycle helmet, which cost me around $35, and a selfie stick, which cost me around $7. Then wear the head rig and shoot your reference video. Once it's done, open the browser. I'm gonna use QuickMagic AI. I will simply click here to log in. First, let me show you how to use it and is it worth it or not. Here you can upload your video. So in this first frame, you have to select your character. As you can see, there are many characters. I'm going to use it for Unreal Engine, so I will select Unreal Engine. There is a Mixamo character which you can use and send it to Blender. Then you can also retarget the animation in Blender. And there are some other softwares as well, like Cinema 4D, iClone, Unity. So yeah, it does support many softwares. Once you select your character, simply click on Next. Here it is asking, what do you want to track? So I want my full body and hand. So here you can see how much budget coins it's gonna cost. Simply click on Generate Now and it will do it. Previously, I have tried other motion capture AI as well. So here are some things which are really cool about this AI. First is, there's no jittery motion in the foot. Mostly AI struggles with jittery foot, which is very minimal here, and it's almost not visible unless you zoom on it. And my favorite thing about this AI is how accurately it was able to track my forward movement, because mostly AI struggles with this a lot whenever you shoot your reference from the front. Now, if you want to try out this AI, I have provided a registration link in the description. So if you register through that link, you will get 60 virtual coins, means you will be able to generate 60 seconds of animation. So yeah, register to that link and create something awesome. Also, make sure to use my code. Now, let me walk you through my workflow. So the first thing to do is get some assets from Fab. Here I am searching for a Paragon character, and I like this Chimera character. In my every project, I use the pickle tool whenever I have to polish my animation. So you can simply go to Fab and search for Loco Draw. This tool is really helpful in polishing the facial animation and body animation as well. So make sure to use it. It's really great. In content drawer, you will find the Pickle folder. Here it is, Loco Draw. And now simply right click and run. Now here for the facial animation, I will just select his jaw and press WASD key. That's why I'm saying it's very nice to have this. I have added all my motion capture animation into Unreal Engine. So now it's time to retargeting. Here I'm searching for my Chimera character and let's retarget some of the animations. So you can look the quality of the motion capture data. It's pretty good. Under the tools window, you can find Live Link Hub. So here I will simply change this to Capture Manager because I'm using an Android phone. And I will now select the folder where my facial performance is. So this is the one. Now we select and it will automatically process the face animation. Now in here I will have to create meta-human performance. Now, because I have used the Android phone, I will have to change this to molecular footage. I will simply find my asset. Now here you have to select your meta-human face mesh. Simply click on estimate focal length, then process it. Because of the tools like Unreal and QuickMagic AI, it has become so easier to create animations and short films. It is very useful for indie developers. Like if you are a solo game developer, then you can create your like a dialogue cinematic scene using these tools. There is no need of costly motion capture suits and head rigs, which is really great. Let me tell you about some of their plans. These are some of their plans for creators and indie developers. So yeah, you can check it out. Let's get back to the tutorial. Paragon's characters are super detailed and look super good as well. But the issue is that they don't have control rig. Here is my solution. What you have to do is add the third person template to your project. You will see a folder named characters inside content. Just open it and go to rigs and you will find this mannequin rig. Now here I can swap the character. So just wait for a moment. It will take a little time. And there it is, my control rig is ready. Now the controls are not properly aligned, but it doesn't matter. Because I'm gonna use the pickle tool. And if you do want to align it, you can do it manually. So once you swap the character, make sure to save the file. Now here inside sequencer, I can see the control rig. So now I will bake it and I can do some cleaning. Now for the summoning sword part. For that I needed something like a dissolved material, but we are working on a tight budget, so let's change the price to free. And then finally I pumped out this material. It was a material pack available for free, and it also had a dissolved kind of material, which really get the job done. For the lightning part, this is the one which I have used. So the lightning VFX pack had this kind of blueprint in which I can adjust the spline points and I can extend it or add points, remove points. So that's how I created the lightning effect. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do have, then please consider like and subscribe to our channel.